we are going to make my absolutely incredible cranberry sauce.
Rutabaga, broccoli, green beans, stir-fry sauce in the kitchen. Baste it, bake it, boil it over deep-fried sauce in the kitchen. Chop it, dice it, boil it in a broth. Sauce in the kitchen. Saute, souffle, simmer it in sauce. Sauce in the kitchen. Rutabaga, broccoli, green beans, stir-fry sauce in the kitchen.
Hi, I'm Chef Scott, the color-coordinated chef, and welcome to Saks in the Kitchen. And today, still in October, we are going to make my absolutely incredible cranberry sauce. So, cranberries, right? Here, cranberry sauce. Cranberries. Cranberries. Do you see them? There. Okay. So, what we're going to do is, in a saucepan, we're going to put in one bag, that's about 12 ounces of cranberries, and we're going to put in 24 ounces of red seedless grapes that have been cut in half. Along with that, we're going to put in a half a cup of water, and we're going to put in a tablespoon of orange peel, great orange peel. There we go. So this has to come to a boil. We have to simmer it for about 15 minutes. Hey, you know, when I say for this recipe of cranberry sauce, slice grapes in half, it's true. You can do this, or you can be chef-like, and you can just put them under your hand and use a serrated blade and go like that. Is that like cool? So that's what you should do. When I say 24 ounces of red grapes, I don't want you cutting them each one at a time. And they don't have to be perfect. Hi again. So, for the last 15 minutes or so, we have been reducing these cranberries. And of course, the cranberries mixed with the water, the cranberries pop. For the most part, the grapes are cooking down. The orange zest that I put in, you can smell it. And so it's ready for the next step, which are frozen or fresh blueberries. The reason why I did that is because without adding any sugar to this, I really needed to make sure that we had some sweetness. Now those red grapes give us a lot of sweetness, but the blueberries are also going to give us great color in this case. They're also going to open up a little bit. And if you want a sweeter cranberry sauce, cheap, you could add a couple of tablespoons of agave. You could just add more blueberries. And let's see what it looks like right now. You can come closer. Come on, come on, come on. See? So we're going to look at this again in about 5 minutes, and we should be done. So we have cooked down the blueberries with the cranberries and the orange peel and the seedless grapes, and it looks beautiful. I will say this is not going to be as sweet as if you added in a bunch of sugar. You know, it's a lot of sugar, so I'm trying to cut down on that. If you want, you could add a little bit of agave or rice syrup to this to balance out the sweetness. Your choice. It won't be as sweet as what you're used to, but it actually is beautiful and it'll be a lot better. So I'm going to turn it off here. Let's put some in a bowl. See how it looks? Just like you were passing it around the Thanksgiving table. It really is absolutely a beautiful looking, and remember, that's what it is. This is a fruit compote. Cranberry sauce is nothing but a fruit compote. And finally, if you were watching last week, you probably saw me make these baked pumpkin donuts. Something that works really well is to put some of this right there in the center of that baked pumpkin donut. It's a great way to celebrate the holidays. Thank you for watching Saks in the Kitchen. I'm Chef Scott. Have a great harvest.